If I had to make my first $100 online using AI, starting from zero, no audience, no experience, no followers, this is exactly what I would do. Not $10,000. Not passive income overnight. Just the first $100. Because that's where everything starts. And once you understand this, you'll realize something important. Making your first $100 is not hard, but most people are doing it the wrong way. Let's be honest. You've seen the videos. Make money with AI, earn passive income, but when you try it, nothing happens. So instead of chasing big money, let's focus on something real. Your first $100. Because once you make your first $100, everything changes. Step 1. Choose the simplest path. If I was starting from zero, I would not try everything. No YouTube plus freelancing plus products all at once. I would choose one simple path, AI plus simple service. Why? Because services pay faster. Examples. Writing content creation, basic designs, simple research. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be useful. Speed matters more than perfection at the beginning. Step 2. Use AI to build skill fast. Now I use AI as my advantage. Let's say I choose writing. I go to ChatGPT and say, write a blog post about topic. It gives me a draft. Now I edit it, simplify it, improve clarity. Within minutes, I have something usable. AI gives you speed. You add value. Step 3. Offer a simple service. Now I don't wait. I offer something simple. Not complicated. Example. I will write blog posts using AI. I will create content ideas. I will help with product descriptions. Keep it simple. Don't overthink your offer. Clarity beats complexity. Step 4. Find people. WHO need IT. Now comes the important part. You need people. Where do you find them? Simple places. Freelance platforms, social media communities. Look for people asking questions, people needing help, people struggling. That's your opportunity. Money comes from solving problems. Step 5. Get your first client. This is the hardest part. Because you don't have proof yet. So you do this. Start small. Offer low price. Or even free for first few tasks. Why? Because you need experience, feedback, confidence. Your first $100 is built on small wins. Step 6. Deliver with quality. Now when someone trusts you, you deliver. Use AI, but improve everything. Make it clear, simple, useful, because this leads to repeat clients, referrals, more opportunities. Step 7. Repeat until $100. Now you don't stop. You repeat the process. Offer right pointing arrow, deliver right pointing arrow, improve right pointing arrow, repeat. Example. $10 times 10 clients equals $100. Simple. Realistic. Achievable. What changes after $100? Once you make your first $100, something changes. You realize this actually works. Your confidence increases. Your speed improves. Your thinking becomes clearer. And now, you can scale. If I started again, I would not wait for perfection, try too many things, focus on big money, compare myself, because those things slow you down. The secret is not AI. The secret is action plus consistency. AI just makes it faster. If you want to make money with AI, don't start big. Start small. Start simple. Focus on your first $100. Because that's where everything begins. If you want more videos like this, real, simple, practical, subscribe to the channel. Because here, we focus on what actually works. And in the next video, I'll show you how to go from $100 to something bigger.